Hello dear students, today we will start chapter 14 Symmetry, and this chapter is in Essay 2 syllabus. In this chapter we will discuss about the symmetry that you have already discussed in grade 6. Okay, so firstly you should know what is the meaning of symmetry. There is symmetry and line of symmetry. So what is symmetry? The word symmetry means if we could fold a figure, here is the meaning of symmetry. If we fold a figure in half such that the left and right halves match exactly, then the figure is said to be symmetrical, having a line of symmetry. For example, here is a figure, and this figure, this shape is folded into two halves. This is folded from here. Okay, so this is left half and this is right half. So this figure is divided into two halves, and this figure is divided into two halves from here. From here we have folded this figure. So this line is said to be line of symmetry, and its left and right parts are same. They match exactly each other. Okay, so they are so this figure is called symmetrical figure. This is called a symmetrical figure, and its line of symmetry is this line. So this is symmetry, and here you are given some example. These are in symmetrical. This house is symmetrical. This butterflies is also symmetrical, and it is the line of symmetry. And this shape is also symmetrical, and its line of symmetry is this. And it can also be divided into two equal halves from here. Okay, and it can also be divided into two equal halves from here and from here. So this figure has four lines of symmetry, and these are also examples of symmetrical figures. And here some examples are given which are non-symmetrical. This is non-symmetrical, this J is also non-symmetrical, and this scenery is also non-symmetrical. Next is, a figure can have more than one line of symmetry. This is important note, that one figure can have more than one line of symmetry. For example, here is this figure and this is in square shape. Okay, so its line of symmetry are this line is line of symmetry, this is also, and it is also, and it is also. So there are four lines of symmetry in this figure. Next are some examples. Identify the figures as symmetrical and non-symmetrical. This L cannot be divided into two equal halves from anywhere. So this L is non-symmetrical because this figure cannot be folded into exact halves. But this figure is symmetrical because it can be folded into exact halves. From here we can fold it, and also from here we can fold it. From here we can fold it into two equal halves, and also from here. Okay, so this is symmetrical figure. Next is, draw the line of symmetry for the following figures. You are given a figure and we have to draw a line of symmetry, and this is the line of symmetry for M letter. Next is this figure, and its line of symmetry is this, because from here if we fold this figure, then it will be, its left and right portions are same, they will exactly overlap each other. Next is C part, and it has four lines of symmetry. One is this, second is this, and third one is this, and fourth is this. So this figure has four lines of symmetry. Now here is practice zone 1 that you can easily do. Next is line of symmetry for regular polygons and reflection symmetry. But firstly we will discuss about line of symmetry for regular polygons. So firstly you should know what is the meaning of regular polygons. A regular polygon is that polygon which has all sides are equal, whose all sides are equal in length and all angles are of equal measure, and that is called a regular polygon. So a regular polygon has all the sides equal and also angles are also equal. For example, equilateral triangle is a regular polygon of 3 sides, and if we talk about regular polygon of 4 sides, it will be square. And if we talk about 5 sides, regular polygon of 5 sides, it will be regular pentagon. It will be regular pentagon. Here is regular pentagon and it's all 5 sides and angles are equal. Next is regular hexagon. All the 6 sides and angles are equal. And here is one important note that a regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as its sides. A regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as its sides. एक रेगुलर पॉलीगन में उतनी ही लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री होंगी जितनी उसकी साइड्स हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल हैज़ 3 sides, so it will have 3 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 sides, so a square has 4 lines of symmetry. So it depends on the regular polygon and number of sides for the lines of symmetry. A regular polygon, that means a regular pentagon. If we talk about a pentagon, then a regular pentagon will have 5 lines of symmetry and a regular hexagon will have 6 lines of symmetry. And there is one important thing, in a circle there are infinite lines of symmetry. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry because every diameter is a line of symmetry. Okay, in a circle every diameter is called a line of symmetry, so we can draw infinite number of diameters in a circle. So number of lines of symmetry are infinite. So this is line of symmetry of regular polygon. So you have to complete practice zone 1. Draw the line of symmetry and find the alphabets in the word English that have line symmetry and also draw them. Thank you.